Hey Tractor Chasers! In today's video, we are out in the field with a crew working on harvesting sweet corn. This type of sweet corn would be different than what you're used to eating off the cob. If you were to actually eat this sweet corn, it wouldn't be as sweet as you would expect. The corn that you normally eat off the cob would be known as super sweet corn and is a different variety. This corn has a little less flavor because it's used for things like soups and frozen bags of corn, where you wouldn't notice the flavor as much. To harvest the sweet corn, they're running two Oxbo 8430 harvesters. These harvesters are taking just the ears off the stalks, and they pile them into the dump cart behind it. This doesn't take the kernels off the cob like a normal combine would. The rest of the processing of the corn will be done at the canning factory. A fleet of 6 semi-trucks were being used to keep the corn moving up to the canning factory from the field. If you're watching this, you may wonder about the damage that would happen to the corn cobs dumping them into the dump carts and into the trucks. I was curious about this myself, and when I asked them, they said that there is always some damage that happens to the corn cobs that hit the bottom of the trailers and dump carts. So they try to have full dump carts as much as possible, so they're limiting the amount of corn cobs that are hitting the metal sides of the dump boxes and the bottoms of the dump trailers. But they know that part of harvest is going to be some damaged crops. So they always plan and expect for a certain percentage of the corn to be damaged. It's just a part of doing business for this harvesting operation. The Oxbo 8430 sweet corn harvester is almost identical to a seed corn harvester, except for some small changes that they make inside the machine that help to be gentler on the crop because it's not as tough as the seed corn is, so it needs to be handled a little more gently. I hope you love being out in the field with a sweet corn harvesting operation working in western New York. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see more vegetable harvesting equipment like this in the future. Thanks for watching.